Good evening students, welcome back to SR tutorial. So today I am going to discuss a sum from AHSEC syllabus, okay, Accountancy H.S.1st year final year question paper 2025. Okay, so this is question number 61 which carries only 5 marks. You have been asked to prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2023 from the following particulars. Okay, so bank balance as per passbook is given. Okay, check has been issued, that means what? Okay, cash book here goes down but not presented for payment. It has not been presented to bank for payment. Okay, so check issued means what? Cash book balance goes down. Okay, and we know, you see here, there is a trick. When cash book balance goes down, it should be written in the negative side. Okay, that is the minus side. And when cash book balance goes up, it should be written in the add side. Okay, so here check issued means what? Cash book balance goes down, so it should be written in the negative side. You see here, negative side. Then you see check deposited but not entered in the passbook. Okay, so once you receive a check, you deposit it into the bank. Okay, so here your cash book balance goes up but it has not been entered in the passbook. That means what? Bank balance is reduced. Okay, but cash book is high. So when cash book is high, okay, you see cash book is high, it should be written in the add side. Okay, so plus sign. Then you see bank debited rupees 80 as bank charges. So debited means what? Passbook is reduced but cash book is high, okay, by rupees 80. Okay, so when cash book is high, it should be written in the add side, so it is plus. Then you see rupees 5000 wrongly credited by bank in our passbook. Okay, so here rupees 5000, okay, the passbook balance, okay, the bank balance, okay, as per the passbook is increased by rupees 5000 but the cash book balance is reduced by rupees 5000. So since cash book is reduced, okay, is less, so it should be written in the less side. Okay, so minus. Then you see bank interest credited by bank. Okay, so this is what? This is an interest which is credited by bank. That means what? Passbook is high but cash book is less, okay, by rupees 250. So since cash book is less, so it should be written in the negative side. Then you see here, you see it's negative, okay, minus. Bills receivable rupees 950 discounted but later dishonored and no entry has been passed in the cash book for this. So bills receivable has been discounted means the person, the customer of the bank has received rupees 950, okay, out of the bills receivable, okay, by discounting the bills receivable, okay, but so cash book balance is high by rupees 950, okay, but and no entry has been passed in the cash book for this. Okay, so later on what did they say? That the bill has been dishonored. Okay, dishonored means what? The bill is cancelled. Okay, so cash book balance here, since it is dishonored, cash book balance goes down by rupees 950. But in the question it is given that no entry has been passed in the cash book for this. That means what? Cash book is high by rupees 950 since no entry has been made in the cash book for dishonorment. Okay, so it means what? Cash book is high by rupees 950. So it's high, so you should write in the add side. Cash book high, you should write in the add side. Okay, so you have understood, okay, where to pass these entries, okay, how to pass these entries and where to write. Okay, now let us prepare the BRS, okay, bank reconciliation statement. Here you see I have drawn the BRS, okay, as on 31st December 2023. particulars, details column and amount column. Okay, so this is the bank balance as per passbook. Okay, 5240. Okay, the add items are here. Okay, you have seen the add items, yes or no? Okay, I have mentioned in the question very nicely the add items, okay, and the minus items. So, okay, so you have to put them, okay, as I have discussed, okay, where to put the add items, okay, and which one to put in the minus items. So as per my discussion, you have to put the amounts. So here you see checks deposited but not entered in the passbook 1400, bank debited bank charges 80, bills receivable discounted but later dishonored and no entry is recorded, this much. Okay, now you add all the items, okay, you get this total, you total this two, okay, you will get this. Then the negative items are check issued but not presented for payment, wrongly credited by bank, bank interest credited by bank, this one. Okay, now you add up, okay, you write this amount. Okay, so this is what, this is negative, okay, because you have to deduct it, okay, from this amount. Okay, so now this amount is higher. Okay, so plus this and minus this, when you subtract, will get this amount. Okay, and it will be negative since this amount is higher. Okay, so it will be negative, and negative balance as per cash book means it's an overdraft. Okay, it's an overdraft. So hope you have understood the sum. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for today.